Because here's a problem I think we can all relate to. Most of us are trying to navigate this high-speed world, running on some seriously ancient, outdated mental software.
And that really gets to the heart of the problem, doesn't it? We're constantly fighting against mental lag, random glitches, system crashes, and we're left wondering why we just can't keep up. But you know, high performers? They aren't just working harder. They are operating on seriously optimized code. In this explainer, we're going to give you the system hacks to upgrade your very own human operating system.
So, where do we even begin? Well, the first step in any real upgrade is diagnostics, right? We got to identify the bugs in our current system before we can even think about patching them. Let's figure out what's slowing us down.
I want you to ask yourself, honestly, do you feel like you're constantly buffering? Do simple notifications completely derail your entire workflow? Does your whole system just feel like it crashes around 2 p.m.? If any of that sounds even a little familiar, you're probably dealing with a buggy OS.
And just look at the difference here. A buggy OS is always suffering from packet loss from every little interruption. An optimized one, it's hyper-focused. The buggy system gets totally drained by useless background processes, while the optimized one turns that focus into a legitimate superpower. That's the goal. That's where we're headed.
All right, diagnosis complete. So, what's the first patch we're going to install? To stop all the crashing, we absolutely have